Hello students, welcome in Sant Tukaram National Model School Latur. This is Shubhangi Kalyani and today we are going to learn the lesson Insects. My dear students, do you know what are these? These are the insects. Rajat found a small, green, creeping animal on a leaf in the garden. He wants to know about that animal. Do you know its name? I think it is a caterpillar. Yes, these are the caterpillars. Today we are going to learn the lesson insects, and in this lesson we are going to learn all these points. Insects around us, the places where insects live, useful insects and harmful insects, how spiders catch and eat insects. We see many such small animals in and around our house. Do you know their names? Ants, housefly, cockroaches, butterfly, grasshopper, mosquito, and so on. Insects are small animals with 6 legs. They may or may not have wings. Insects creep and crawl. They have 6 legs. Some insects have wings and can fly. For example, a butterfly, bee, mosquito, and so on. Ants and termites are examples of insects which cannot fly. Many insects have different stages in their lives. When they hatch from egg, they look different. They change their shape and size many times before they become fully grown. The first stage of the butterfly is egg. The second stage of the butterfly is caterpillar. The third stage of the butterfly is pupa. And the last, fourth, adult stage of the butterfly is butterfly. These are the 4 stages of the butterfly, and this is the life cycle of butterfly. Now we will see where do insects live. We can find some insects like ants in the soil. Such insects as honeybees and butterflies are found on plants. Cockroaches are found inside houses. We can find them in cracks of walls, wastewater pipes, and so on. During the day, they hide in dark corners of the houses. They come out at night. Insects like bees and ants live in colonies. Colonies are groups of insects living together. We have seen ants in an ant hills. There are the colonies of ants. We have seen honeybees in beehives. There are the colonies of bees. Certain kinds of ants make their colonies on trees. Why do some insects hide? They hide to protect themselves from their enemies. Let us see the harmful insects and useful insects. Some of the insects that we see in our surroundings are useful to us. Then let's start. First of all, we will see useful insects. Honeybees store honey in their hives. We take this honey and use it in our food and in the preparation of medicines. Beehives are made up of bee wax. We use this wax in medicines. Bee wax is also used in make candles. Now we will see the harmful insects. Some insects like mosquitoes are harmful to us. Why? Because mosquitoes carry germs. When they bite us, these germs enter our body and make us sick. Flies are harmful to us. Not all flies bite, but flies carry several bacteria on their bodies that are harmful to humans. Bed bugs are also harmful insects. They live around the bed. They are most active at night. Their presence may cause itching and loss of sleep. Insects like cockroaches and ants eat the store food items. Ants and cockroaches can also damage our clothes. Some insects are harmful to the plants we grow. They eat up their leaves and fruits. Did you know that butterflies and honeybees help the flowers to grow into fruits? Have you seen spiders in or around your house? Are they insects? No, they are not insects. Unlike insects, they have 8 legs. Spiders catch and eat many insects using their webs. You may have seen a spider web in or around your house. It may still be in use by a spider, or it may be an old and dusty one called a cobweb. My dear students, today we have learnt about insects around us, the places where insects live, useful insects and harmful insects, how spiders catch and eat insects. Thank you.